The FRAYSCENT Slat wall paneling system uses rigid polyvinyl chloride construction that shrugs off moisture, impacts, and temperature swings far better than bare drywall in a working garage. Each panel is sized for typical stud spacing and can be cut or combined into larger sections, so it is straightforward to cover a small nook or an entire wall without awkward gaps. Once installed, the panels support a surprisingly high load per square foot, making them suitable for heavier items like power tools, garden equipment, and even bike racks when used with compatible hardware. The standardized groove spacing works with most common slat wall hooks, baskets, and hangers, giving you a flexible way to rearrange storage as your tool collection changes. Because tools and supplies can be hung in clear view instead of piled on shelves or benches, this system makes it much easier to keep a tidy, efficient workspace in the garage or garden shed. Overall, the FRAYSCENT panels feel like a durable, low-maintenance upgrade that turns bare walls into a customizable storage zone for homeowners who want better organization without building custom cabinetry.